guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and we have my friend here, John from Broadway Supercars, and he just bought a Carrera GT. All right, so John's been on the channel. John, you've been on the channel the most now with 4 different cars.
All right.
So do you remember what they were?
I'm going to try. RX-7.
Yep.
A 550 Maranello.
Yep.
Oh, shit, there's 4?
No, this is the 4th one.
Oh, this is the 4th, so one more?
Yeah.
I don't even remember.
V12.
Oh, the 550 Maranello?
No.
My Mercy.
Right,
640.
Yes. 640 and 6. So you got the record. I got a lot of people with 3 of their cars. You have 4 now.
Man,
so.
I love it.
So you're number 1, and I love it that you just bought the Carrera GT.
And the first person I called was Glenn's Car Collection.
There you go. So we're going to take it for a ride. We'll go over the specs, and this is going to be a blast. You're going to have accelerations, great sounds. You're going to want to watch this video all the way through. Remember, subscribe, share, do all that garbage, like it. But hey, we're wasting time. Let's go for a drive. That's awesome.
You do a good ride.
Yeah.
Shiny side up. This is the type of car, like, just so much of a handful to drive.
Yeah.
Like, you always get back to the house.
Right. No automatic rev matching here.
No,
that was you doing it.
I do it myself. So, like, every time you drive and you get back home, you're like, oh, everything was okay. Slow.
Yeah.
Even though I'm like super conservative.
Yeah.
Even when I'm driving it hard, I'm incredibly conservative. And it's boring to drive it slow, but even when you drive it a little aggressive,
right,
you still have to be so insanely careful.
Yeah. It's so low to the ground. I don't think I've seen a lower car to the ground.
It really is. Here, we're gonna go under a bridge.
Yep, here we go. Wow, handling works. Rear wheel drive?
Yes, sir. We can't do too much yet because the tires are still so cold. There's center lock wheels, right? And there's red on blue on each side, right? That's right.
So you don't accidentally put that tire in the wrong spot.
That's right.
And as you can see here, 996 steering wheel. That was the Porsche steering wheel at the time. Similar gauges to my 996 C4S, but very analog gauges. They only made this car here in the United States 2004 and 2005. About 1,500 of them total. 2006, there were new airbag regulations. I believe it was the smart airbags. So it wasn't worth it for Porsche, since they sold so few of these cars, to continue selling them. Original base price was $440,000. Magazine reviews program that this was the most dangerous car ever, because obviously Paul Walker and a lot of high-profile accidents, because this car was prone to oversteer, over 600 horsepower. So it was, a dangerous car for people who weren't used to it. GoPro if it was outside. We have one rule here, don't kill the host. Otherwise the channel's over.
We don't want to kill anyone.
I don't have a co-host.
Just a buzz.
That was really fast. I mean, that was like... All right, guys, this is one of the most amazing cars I've ever been in. 605 horsepower, 435 foot-pounds of torque, 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds, and feels way faster than that from the passenger seat. A quarter mile in 11 seconds flat at 130 miles per hour. Brakes, stopping distance 60 to 0, 101 feet. It weighs just over 3,000 pounds. And remember, this is a 10-cylinder engine, normally aspirated, no turbos, 5.7 liters, 8,400 RPM redline. I know Magnum drove a Ferrari, but he should have drove a Carrera GT. And as Higgins said, the old Higgins, not the new Higgins, oh my God. It's just amazing. I'm speechless after being in this car. This is, I see why this is Doug DeMuro's dream car. You know what? It's probably my dream car too. Thanks again for watching, guys. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so we can get to 10,000 subscribers, and I will see you next time.